Hey, we're excited about a lot of upgrades and changes to the website, and we wanted to do a quick video to demonstrate some of the more exciting ones. We've added a bunch of forums and things like that, but we'll get to that in a second. But right over here, over orders now, if you are signed into the website, if you click on that, then it's going to show you all of your orders, and it will show you at what status they're at. And so you can view and do a lot of things here, so you can always know what's going on with your order. Also, we've added the ability to create wish lists. So if I click here, I don't think I have any, but you can. So now if you're in here and you can build a certain barrel and say you're not ready to buy it right now, just add that to your wish list and it will save that for you, which is pretty slick. And you can manage them and you can change them, do whatever you want. But now I'm going to click over to the forums page. All right, just to give you a quick overview of the forums and kind of the structure for them. There is a parent category, and then so this, if you click on that, that's not actually a forum, that's just the parent category. And then it brings you into, these are the actual forums. So if you want to do general discussion, troubleshoot it, we have a brag board. Then you click on here. You do have to be signed in to be able to use the forums. And then once you're here, you can see all the posts. You can create a new topic right here. There is the ability to add pictures. You can't add huge ones. You can add tags, change kind of the topics. And here at the bottom is where you would add images, say, of your builds or whatnot. Let me jump back. There's also within this, I don't know if you noticed, but we're starting to work with, we've created a for sale or trade forum in here. Now, we're not going to manage anything beyond just having a platform for you guys to jump in here and buy, trade, sell within yourselves. I mean, we are not eBay for certain, but we did want to give everyone a platform to where, you can, get in here and sell and trade your stuff. Should be pretty slick. Now these forums do have additional functionality. If you'll scroll up here, you can click on your profile and think of this as a mini social network. It has that capability. It's not like you've got to treat it like that, but it does have that capability built into it. So you'll be able to come in, change your profile pictures, see notifications. You'll be able to control what notifications you do get. You'll be able to message different members in here. You'll be able to create friends, or not create friends, but make friends with people. You'll be able to message them individually. We'll have groups. None are set up yet, but we are just getting started on them. And here's the forums. So the functionality is pretty huge, and we're just getting started here. So that's kind of a brief overview of the forums, the social network side of it, and also the ability to look at your orders, see wish lists. This is going to be fun, guys. Guys and girls, this is going to be fun. I wanted to show you real quick how to create an account. Now, some of you have already created accounts with us in the past. If that's the case, it may say, hey, your email is already in here. If that happens to you, you want to scroll up to lost password, click on that, and it's going to send you an email. So then you'll put in your email and it will send you a reset, and then it should let you in. If that's not the case, then jump into register. And it's pretty simple. Form signature, that can be changed. Sometimes this is super annoying and will make you jump through a bunch of hoops. That is Google, not us. We wish we didn't have to mess with spam bots, but we do. So, and then once you're registered, it will kick you over an email that you'll need to verify. Now, sometimes those don't make it. If not, jump in here and it can resend you another one, or send us a message. We can approve you on our end as well. Make sure you're checking your spam folders for those. Again, if you have any problems logging in, don't hesitate. We can fix things from our end.